Let me show you how to properly use your smart light sound machine G63 model. So if you are looking for a manual, you can probably pause the video if you want to inspect it. So simply pause the video. By the way, the manual is actually kind of terrible on this machine and you should probably throw it in the trash right away. So it's absolutely terrible, really. Okay, first, how do you actually turn it on? So to turn it on, we simply have to press this second button, so the play and pause button, and simply hold it for a few seconds. So, and it will light up basically. And if it's actually not turning on, make sure to actually leave it plugged in a charger for a few hours. Sometimes they actually come totally depleted and you actually need to charge them up first. So you can basically insert type C cable here basically and then insert it in a wall basically. And also when you actually charge it, make sure you actually have sufficient power like adapter. So on the back of the adapters basically you can see the output voltage, so make sure yours says at least 2 amps. So I have 3 amp here, so that probably is the best. So again, if you use some kind of very slow charger adapter, basically this might actually not power it on, and also the wireless charger actually won't work properly as well. Then if you want to change the light mode, you can simply press this M button, so this one. So press and you see you can basically cycle through the different light modes. And if you simply want to leave the time and alarm, basically you can cycle till you get this mode basically where only the like time and alarm basically stays on. So it's actually possible. So the battery life basically they claim that you can get like 4 or 5 hours maybe, so an internal battery, but actually the internal battery is like absolutely tiny inside. So I have a teardown video on my channel where I have actually shown the size of it, so I have actually taken this apart. So the battery size actually is incredibly small. So, and you can only like listen to music and basically use this light while you are running from the internal battery. So you can't actually use the wireless charger while you are running from the internal battery. And again, if you want to charge your phone, make sure it actually is plugged in a sufficient power like adapter, and then we can simply basically also you need to know where actually your charger coil is located. So on most phones it will be somewhere around here basically. So make sure to simply pop on your phone like this. So on these small G63 models you'll most likely need to charge your phone in this position. When if you actually try to charge like this, basically the charging coil on the phone actually can't reach the area where actually the charging coil is on the unit itself. So this is a limitation on these small units. You need to actually keep it like this. And if you want to connect it to your phone, you are simply going to need to go to Bluetooth settings. So in the Bluetooth settings you will click pair new device, and basically from the available devices it will basically list it over here. So I have it already paired, and then you simply click. So this works with Android phones and also iPhone, so it works with and then basically you can actually control music, so you can actually play music on this as well, and also you can go to the next track with this one if you click once. And also you can pause it, so you can pause and resume with this button, go to the previous track with this one, and also you can increase or decrease volume by holding this button, or decrease the volume with this button. So I will resume it and click and hold this, and as you see the volume actually decreases on my phone. And if I hold this, the volume increases basically. And if you want to set alarm, you simply have to press and hold this. So also to change the clock, you first have to actually press and hold this. So, and you see the hours will start to blink, and then you can basically navigate with these buttons to navigate to the correct hour. Press this to go to the minutes, and if you want to change alarm, you simply have to go in the time setting menu, till it blinks, wait 1 second and then hold it again. And basically next you have your alarm setting mode, and you can simply change it in the same way. So you can press this again to go to the minutes again, and yeah, alarm is set basically. So once done, simply wait and we'll return to the main screen. Also on the device here we actually have a micro SD card slot, so you can actually insert micro SD memory card here so you can listen actually music from that. And also we have aux as well, so you can essentially if you maybe want to connect some device to this speaker, basically you can take like 3.5mm like jack, connect it to this device and connect to this device, and you'll be able to actually play that music basically on the speaker of the device. And if you are wondering about the sunrise simulation wake-up light, then this G63 actually doesn't have this function, so I have no idea why they actually have it printed on, because it doesn't have that function. Also, this smaller model doesn't have like dedicated phone app, so you can only connect it to your phone and control your music, so you can't actually control like the lights from a phone app. So there are some other models where you can do that, but actually not on this one. By the way, also I will actually leave a link where I actually got mine from. So I got mine from the Temu site. So if you are like a new user, you can essentially pick it up for like pretty much for free essentially. So the normal price if you aren't a new user is like $9 or $10, something around that. So again, I will actually leave a link to this exact model if you're actually looking to purchase one of these. So I think that is the cheapest price where you can actually get these. Anyway, good luck guys.